Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Yesterday, Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa presented 5 vehicles to youth ambassadors of the disabled community at State House. The beneficiaries were musician talent Chipo Mutegwa, musician Tongai Gwaze, also known as Greatman, beauty therapist Sifiso Michelle Svanda, disability advocate Tendai Mazuru, and former child president and ZYC board member Hazau Mandaza. Each ambassador also received 10 wheelchairs to donate to young disabled persons in their communities. This initiative reflects on the government's commitment to ensuring that no one and no place is left behind. Mnangagwa said he commends these ambassadors for their dedication to supporting and uplifting members of their communities. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.